pass or fail. From here back with the red line you're seeing, all PVC. From here forward, out of the building, all cast iron. Fixed unit wise, this was okay to be 3-inch. Fitting wise, fail, see you later, bye. Reinspection fee. Don't let me ever see you do that. Because that is not complying with the code. Either you're going to use a proper 4-inch transition fitting to go from cast iron to no hub with a proper clamp, so it's not doing the whole bulge thing. Or you could have used a truly approved product accepted clamp to go from 4-inch cast iron to PVC. You truly could have done that there. But this was a fail.